today's forecast from Met.ie. It will become dry and bright early this afternoon as the last of the rain clears away to the east. There will be an occasional shower, but it will remain largely dry until later this evening. Highest afternoon temperatures of 6 to 9 degrees in light to moderate southwesterly winds, which will back southerly later and freshen. Dry at first tonight, but rain will develop and there will be some heavy falls. It will become windy to and freshen gusty southerly winds. The rain will clear away later in the night and towards dawn. Cool with lows of 2 to 4 degrees. Heavy showers will develop on Tuesday morning and early in the afternoon, with some hail and thunder likely. The showers will ease off later in the afternoon. Highs tomorrow of 6 to 8 degrees in moderate to fresh and at times gusty southwesterly winds.